seen so many places, all I think is it's repetitive. Searching through the cabinet just to find the proper medicine. World that's full of hate, ain't a world that's worth living in.
What's up, guys? This is Little Peso, and we are at Texas Paintball Field in Austin, Texas. And if you notice already, this is a huge place. I think it's like 20 acres or so, but I'm not too sure, to be honest. I do know it has 10 different fields, and every field is different. They look amazing. They, how do I put it? I didn't get to play on every field just because it was a hot day. And I've been gone for a year already, so I haven't been playing as much as I wanted to. Not just that, but my weapon malfunctioned midway through a game, and I didn't know if it was working or not, or if it was not. But when I got it checked, it was shooting at 0.77 joules, which even in CQB, that's actually half of what it should be shooting in CQB. But not just that, I also got a new camera system. And bear with me because I'm still trying to figure it out and still trying to see what I can do to make it better and give y'all a better perspective of what's going on in a game. So I'm going to shut my mouth now and y'all going to watch a video. And if you do play Airsoft, guys, remember, wear protection, always have a mask.
Crazy how the stress can break you down like a camping tent. I don't go outside cause all my life I've learned to hide. See, I'm hurting deep inside, and that's a statement overlooked. We're not honest with ourselves. We get lying for the sales. If you're not liking what you see, then we harder on ourselves. So we post it on the feed, something like a show and tell. But we craving world approval instead of proving of ourselves. It's a joke. See, we used to packing bowls, and I'm used to packing bags. But how you heal a soul, that's an answer I don't know, cause it never seems to end. I just want a fresh breath, so it's time to start again. I don't know where I'm going. My life's in constant motion like the waves out in an ocean. One with the breeze, hear the rustle of the leaves. That's the cue to take my leave. I'll be back again, I'm hoping. Yeah, 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 I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back again, I'm hoping. I'll be back again, I'm hoping.
So if you notice, my BBs are not going straight. They're curving left. And what you're going to see in a little bit is that they're not just curving left, but it looks like they're going straight down. So I'm shooting this guy. I thought I hit him at first, but I didn't realize he's back in the game a minute later. And so I'm just going to adjust my hop up and see if that helps it.
I ain't the average man, I leave impressions on the land. My shit will take attention spans, replace them with that high demand of words that I be saying. Games that I be playing, you would think I signed with Satan. How I came about the basement, I'm a old soul trying to fight and postpone what's inevitable in life till I'm reaching every goal that I set when I was a teen. Now I'm almost 23, seen the world from these Ray-Bans, fuck degrees, my vision keen. And I got a clean record, I deceive letters, treat these words like my bitch, no one treat them better. We just click and now I threaten Mother Nature, take my ballpoint pen, then I press it to the paper. Now these people get impressed like an NFL player, or like 2 pills I pop till my pupils swell up. I'ma do this till I drop, then I'll haunt the fucking industry. Better hold my spot or I'll treat you like the enemy. I'ma be the man, so I have to be a savage, ripping bones out of bodies, fertilize the planet. I'm making hits like these fuckers pitching underhanded. 96 off the shit, my ship has never learned. See me John Cena with the 3P, go with balls deep, laying pipe like a CB. And I don't need sleep, really I just need beats. Chew them up and spit them out, not eating, bitch, I'm feasting. Yeah, I'm better than these sweet evenings, going harder on the weekdays, never resting on the weekends, constant flowing like a freeway. I got people sitting ringside and some people in the nosebleeds. Motherfuckers ride or die, got my back, so I just proceed. I don't need no explanation from you basic ass bitches. Wanna waste my time and cross some lines, raise suicide awareness. Got nothing left to pray. You can keep all your opinions, only God I know is dead, and his numbers in the billions. I want dollars by the million, keep my family well fed. Used to live on food stamps, now I live on toe tags. You want bodies, go ahead, show you I don't bleed red, cause I'm from a different planet, often cooking with the baddest. I'm the Ramsay of the kitchen, growing cabbage on these faggots. Really hope I am offended when I talk my subject matter. All that matters are my words, I be spitting automatic, and I'm finally getting traction, still not worried about my status, cause I'ma be the man, so I have to be a savage. Ripping bones out of bodies, fertilize the planet, making hits like these fuckers pitching underhanded. 96 off the shit, my ship has never landed. Yeah.
Well, that's it for today's game. Well, not today's game, this game. Because after this game, I took my gun inside to get checked by the mechanic. We ended up finding out the barrel was used and abused. Not just that, but the battery was like, done. He plugged it in. He plugged in the battery. He told me it was good. I asked him what charge was it on. He looked down at it, and it was like, okay, it's not good. It's not good. And unplugged it. So, ended up having to buy a new battery. The new barrel that I got in this weapon was a little bit longer than my other one. So, we ended up having to drill into the weapon. So, that's actually at the end of this video. But not just that. Let me know, guys, what I need to do to get better at Airsoft. Not just that, but what camera system, what kind of, what kind of angles and stuff that I need to do. So, yeah. Well, if you play Airsoft, guys, remember, always wear PPE, always have a mask, and always have protection.
Chad, all the way to H Mart, I was going about 100 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Passed by 2 cops.